Is whole life insurance a smart investment or a waste of money? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on whole life insurance, often called permanent life insurance, and explore it in detail. If you're curious about the value, you've come to the right place. I'm Gregory Razdiba, and I'm the CEO at Dundas Life. As an insurance company, we've helped thousands of Canadians to protect their loved ones, all from the comforts of their own home. Curious to learn more? Click on the link in the description below. Now back to the video. To start, it's true that whole life insurance is typically more expensive than term life. Term life insurance offers coverage for only a specific period of time. However, with whole life insurance, you get lifelong coverage for your loved ones. With a whole life insurance policy, you may accumulate cash value. Cash value is a savings component that's built into the whole life insurance policy. It grows at a fixed or variable rate over time and gives you the opportunity to borrow against it after a few years. This can be a valuable asset in your financial planning toolkit if you ever need to access additional funds. We'll talk more about this in a moment. Now let's look at some of the disadvantages that critics often highlight when it comes to whole life insurance. One of the potential drawbacks is the possibility of your policy lapsing. This happens when you miss a payment or find it difficult to keep up with your payments. In such a situation, your policy could be canceled, and you may need to purchase a new one. Starting over with a new policy could mean paying higher premiums. It's also important to note that in addition to the regular premium payments, there are built-in costs associated with life insurance. There are the profits that the life insurance companies make for taking on the risk of paying out your life insurance death benefit when you pass away. Additionally, borrowing against the whole life policy isn't as straightforward as it may seem. There are specific criteria that need to be met. It's important to familiarize yourself with these requirements before attempting to borrow the funds. Next, let's address another claim that whole life insurance lacks flexibility. That's simply not true. With whole life, you have the flexibility to adjust your premium payments, coverage amounts, and even your death benefit after some time. This adaptability allows your policy to align with your evolving financial goals and provide you with the protection that you need. We should also mention that permanent life insurance is often recommended for higher income individuals. Why? Well, it offers unique advantages such as tax-efficient wealth transfer and estate planning benefits, especially if you've already maxed out other tax-efficient investing vehicles like RRSPs or TFSAs. In fact, many financial professionals consider whole life insurance to be an integral part of a comprehensive financial strategy. It offers stability, long-term growth potential, and the ability to protect and preserve your wealth for future generations. You know, when it comes to whole life insurance, there's something that often gets overlooked: the estate planning benefits. It's important to understand how significant these benefits can be. Here's why. Imagine being able to preserve and transfer your hard-earned wealth to the next generation seamlessly. A properly structured whole life policy can be a powerful tool to ensure that your assets are protected and distributed according to your wishes, all while minimizing your tax obligation. Here's another significant benefit to consider. In Canada, the death benefit received from permanent life insurance is typically received tax-free, which means that the full amount can be passed on to your loved ones without any tax implications. In summary, whole life insurance offers lifelong coverage, cash value accumulation, flexibility, and estate planning benefits. However, the higher costs and complexity of whole life has to be taken into consideration. At Dundas Life, we believe that trust is key in making life insurance decisions, and we are committed to our clients' financial well-being. If you're interested and want to learn more about if whole life makes sense for you, talk to one of our licensed advisors today. Click on the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.